Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about enabling or disabling the switch access on an Android device. So, without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. First of all, to enable the switch access, what we may do is go ahead and open up the Settings app on our Android device. You can go ahead and look out for the gear icon and tap on Settings and open it up. After that, you may just scroll to the given options and scroll until you reach over to the accessibility tab from the given options and tap on it and open it up on your screen. After you open it up, you can just go ahead and look out for switch access option from here. And from here, go ahead and find the option of advanced settings and tap on it. Once you tap on advanced settings, this opens up where you will be finding option for accessibility button. Need to find that option and tap on it. And once you do so, you can select one of the action for that. So tap on select actions. And from here, you can just go ahead and look out for the control that you would like to have. So for example, let's say we would like to have for assistant menu. So you can tap on that. After that, you can allow and it will help you view and control your screen and on your screen you'll be finding the button. You can use that button in order to have the access, and that is how you do it. Similarly, if you would like to disable it, what you can do is go to your settings again, and from your settings scroll down, go over and find accessibility, tap on it. From accessibility, go ahead and find the option of advanced settings and tap on it. And once you tap on it, select the option for accessibility menu. And from there, tap on select actions. And once you find it up, you can look out for the switch that you turned on. For example, assistant menu that we turned on earlier, tap on it. And from there, you can turn it off. And that is how you do it. So that is it for today's video. If you would like to enable or disable the switch control in your Android device as well, you may follow up these steps. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.